Hi YouTube, we're going to learn Mannequin is the name of the song. It's by the group Wire. They're original punk group. Yeah, what's that space? No natural grace. You're so bloody thin. You don't even begin to interest me. Not even curiosity. It's that animosity. You just don't interest me. Alright, those are the two parts. And it's pretty beginner friendly, except for this B minor. It's a good song to practice your 5th string root minor bar chord. You can get away with just playing this A minor shape, moving it up 2 frets, and just playing 4, 3, and 2. That's the movement. We're going to go B minor to A. Okay? So it starts on E minor. It's like 1 and 2, 3, 4. B minor. So E minor, it starts on. E minor. B minor, A. Goes through that 2 times, and then we go into the verse, which is it's D, A, G. You don't waste the space, at your own grace. You're so bloody thin. And then goes to E minor to interest me. Not even curiosity. E minor, B, A. And then just one repetition, and it goes back to the verse. You and you God. Black hole to avoid. No style, no heart. You don't even start to interest me. The chorus, the lyrics stay the same. Not even curiosity. And then repeats. And then towards the end of the song, what they do is they play the chorus and sing, you know, to interest me, not even curiosity. They play it, and then they start a different melody. Ba 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 da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba. So that's kind of cool. They keep the rhythm guitar the same. Ba ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba. And so they alternate that with the chorus, and that's how the whole second half of the song is. Okay, so it's a good beginner song with mostly easy chords, except for that B minor. So that's what, if I was a beginner and I was trying to grapple with these bar chords, this would be a good song to practice, because it's only got the 1 bar chord in it. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.